My name is Chen. I'm from Red Hat. I'm here to talk about InstructLab. It's an open source project jointly developed by IBM and Red Hat. It's very new. It's like a couple of months old. I joined the project only last month, so I'm learning as I'm going along. So you're here to learn with me. So no slides, but I just wanted to show you the GitHub page, github.com/InstructLab. It's the organization. And there's a lot of repositories. Oops, no internet. Wow. There's a lot of repositories in there, and we're just going to, like, here. You go to the main org page. If you want to jump right in, head to the iLab documentation to get started. And that's what we're going to do today. So good thing I loaded this page before I lost my internet connection. So I'm going to show you the InstructLab iLab command on the command line. And what this does, we're going to quickly go through this. Wow, I actually have to make it smaller now. OK. This workflow, you download the model, you chat with the LLM, you try to add some new knowledge to the taxonomy, generate synthetic training data, retrain, and chat with it again to see if there's any improvement. It does sound like it will take a while. So I did I did some preparation in my hotel room last night. So I did the synthetic data generation and stuff like that. So you don't have to sit here to wait 20 minutes for that, which we don't have 20 minutes anyway. So, all right, let's see some. Oh no, all the windows are messed up now. So I actually don't have to enlarge them like I did earlier, so because of the resolution. OK, anyways, let's get started. So I go to the InstructLab directory. I'm already in the Python virtual environment. There's information on the GitHub repo to how to set things up. I've installed InstructLab, but you can do pip install InstructLab. It's on PyPI. So let's see the command. Let's see. We just recently released 0.17.1 2 days ago, and I upgraded it last night. So OK, we're on the right version. Then again, I haven't fully tested this version, so hopefully it won't mess up my demo. So with the InstructLab command, you can chat with the model. Well, first you have to serve the model, chat with the model, download, and so on. So you can see a list here. Actually, let's take, when you're installing for the first time, the first thing you do is iLab init. But I've already initiated it, so I don't do it this time. We can take a look at the config YAML file. The default model is a Merlinite model, which is InstructLab tuned Mistral model. So you can specify different models. But if you don't do that, that's the default model you will take. So if you do like iLab download, it will try to download that default model specified. Oh, no internet connection. But fortunately, I downloaded it last night as well. It's a quantized model that's about 4.4 gigabytes or something. So I did not plan to do it here. So after you've downloaded it, you can iLab serve the model. And then I'll pass in the model family, which is Merlinite, and then model path. In the models directory, Merlinite. So while I'm waiting for that to start, OK, I think it's ready. So I can do an iLab chat to chat with the model. Again, all right. So welcome to InstructLab chat. Hello. OK, it's awake. And then my topic of interest today, what I want to train it is to get some information about the DeLorean time-traveling car. So let's say typing full sentences is harder than typing commands because I can't tap complete. But Anyway, so it knows a little bit something about it. It goes on, probably something it learned from Wikipedia or whatever. So what is the speed required to do time travel? OK, it knows something. Actually, last night it was telling me, no, you can't do time travel. Forget about it. But now it's telling, yeah, maybe. But it is, it's not based on real world physics. Debatable. But anyway, we'll see what happens when we, give it some concrete information. So I'm going to quit this right now. Stop serving it. So as we saw from here, you can generate new synthetic data for the training, and then retrain. Each of these is like an ILab command. You can use generate to generate the data, and then, but each of these takes time. So last night I generated 100 number of instructions, and then trained it with 100 iterations. That took about 45 minutes total. So now we have in this trained folder the quantized model of that trained model, which is supposedly updated. So let's see. So now we go iLab, serve the new model this time. Oops. Yep, that's the one. And then the same thing, now we chat with it. InstructLab trained. So now we're now chatting with a different model. If you go up, just now we were chatting with the model that I downloaded, but it was not trained with the synthetic data. So now we ask similar questions. What is the speed required to do time travel? OK. it's not actually giving me the wrong data. Demo effect. Last night it was giving me, yes, it's 88 miles per hour. No question about it.
Super cool.
Well, what do you know, right? let's try again. Oh, come on. You're not being nice to me. OK, let's try a different question. How often should oil change be done? OK, that's good. I should have shown, actually, before the pre-fine-tuned model, it said every 5,000 miles. I was guessing it was like 5,000 to 8,000 or something like that. Now, because we trained it with, I forgot to show this Back to the Future data, which said every 3,000 miles or 3 months. So you got the information from here and updated it to say, yes, it's not every 3,000 miles. So again, I'm probably already running over my time, but I just want to show that you don't have to be. We want to make it easy for people to contribute to large language models. And I'm personally not a developer. At least I was in my past life, but not now. You don't have to be a data scientist, but you can take the knowledge that you have, run it on a normal consumer laptop, and get some results from it by trying out. So please check out the project, InstructLab.ai or github.com/InstructLab. And if you have any questions, don't come ask me. Ask Mark, who's wearing the same T-shirt as I am. he's the brains. He's a developer who knows a lot more about the details of how this works. So I welcome y'all to talk to us and definitely also join us for drinks at Restaurant W. Is that it? Yes. Thank you very much.
Excellent.